Let's bowl off with cricket, shall we? Jamaican Andre Coley and former West Indies captain Daren Sammy are the new coaches of the West Indies red and white ball teams, following the announcement by Cricket West Indies on Friday. Jerome Foster tells us more.
Jamaican Andre Coley has coached at all levels in West Indies cricket, including being the head coach of the current West Indies emerging academy team. The 48-year-old was called in at the 11th hour for the tours of Zimbabwe and South Africa earlier this month, after Phil Simmons tendered his resignation at the back end of 2022 following a wretched World Cup qualifying campaign. In addition to the test team, the Jamaican has responsibilities for the A team, but his first objective with his new appointment will be guiding the Caribbean men against the world #1 test team, India, in July.
I feel honored to have been appointed the head coach of our international men's test squad. I'm looking forward to the challenges ahead of working with players and staff in moving our game forward. I really enjoyed the interim role I spent with the squad during that three-month period recently. Looking forward to challenges ahead for sure.
Just like his days of captaincy, 39-year-old Sammy has been elevated on the back of promise and passion, and will be leading the white ball team that is on the brink of unwanted history. The 15-man squad has to navigate the World Cup qualifiers after a 3-match series against United Arab Emirates, but must ensure they are not the first regional team in history not to play the 50-over World Cup. The St. Lucian is already banking on divine intervention to lead the way, with his only coaching experience being a coach of the St. Lucia Kings in the CPL and the Peshawar Zalmi in Pakistan's T20 competition.
Exciting but challenging times ahead as I embark on this new West Indies white ball cricket coach role. I urge for your support throughout this journey, one that I'm honored to be part of, and I'm looking forward to having an impact on the West Indies cricket team. I pray God that He blesses me with the leadership, the vision, and the patience which this role will require. But thank you for your unwavering support.
But not all are in support of the move for Sammy, who does not hold a level 3 coaching certificate that most international coaches have.
Be what it may, they have gone down the line that he's the best man for the job based on the applications, which we have no indications, no details about who else were in the 20 or who else was in the final 6. But it's going to be a very testing time for Daren Sammy, because where we might have had a better little performance in the red ball game with some encouraging sign, we just had a putrid white ball series under Phil Simmons.
There have been strange days in West Indies cricket, and the most recent appointments will raise more eyebrows than reduce fears. Jerome Foster, TVJ Sports.